Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? So this is live price prediction of AMP coin, my friends, and I have something very special and very important information about my friends, all AMP holders now. So please, if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Otherwise, we are completely in the loss now. So my brother, in those days, absolutely, when a coin were fails down, so this mean my friends today are completely on the enjoy mode. Other my friends, we will cannot expect this from this live player. So my brother, in those days, if they were fails down, so this mean today are my friend in the lost. You could see my friend 1 hour last, 1 day last, 7 days, all currency were very badly fails down. But don't worry my brothers, to after a fails, absolutely they will also take a very huge jump now. Thanks for watching my viewers, my subscriber, but please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's recap this coin my friends to what's going on and what we will need to do. My brother, in those days when a coin were fails down, so therefore the holders are laughing and definitely they cannot control now. So therefore I will notify you to please don't be sad my friend. Definitely you will need to hold it and wait for the good time. I hope my friends after fails absolutely they will take a very huge jump. So thanks for watching AMP coin holder. Please like video and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.